Hey there, how are you? I'm Chantal, and in this Liv Pure review, I'll be sharing with you some real value information about this weight loss supplement, such as the science behind how it works, Liv Pure ingredients, benefits, and some real important considerations through my personal experience with it. But just before we start, keep in mind and be aware that if you're looking to buy Liv Pure, there's only one safe place where you can do it: Liv Pure official website. When I decided to go through it, I found it on Amazon, similars, and even in fake websites that honestly you can barely notice the difference from the original one. And as it is warned on the official website itself, Liv Pure is only allowed to be sold over there. So if you don't want to harm your health or waste your money, go for the original supplement, a reliable product, and make your purchase at the right place. To help you out, I'll be leaving the correct link down below in the description of this video, alright? So Liv Pure works specifically on top of one of the common factors in overweight people: compromised liver function. See, an optimal liver function can do wonders for you, and it goes far beyond weight loss and increased metabolism. As you see, this weight loss supplement acts also as a metabolic booster, working to improve the functions of your liver, making it 14 times more efficient at burning fat and calories, preventing what you eat from being stored as body fat. So by taking Liv Pure consistently, you enjoy lots of benefits achieved through liver purification: better digestion, improved immune function, hormone regulation, maintenance of good blood sugar levels, body detox, and improvement on your skin. It's really a complete package itself, bringing you more health beyond a quick and consistent weight loss. For that, Liv Pure Supplement has a liver purification complex and a liver fat burning complex, unique blends of plants and super nutrients like silymarin, betaine, berberine, resveratrol. You can actually check all of them on Liv Pure official website because there are many, but the thing is they have managed to pack everything so well that it's a really potent formula and delivers everything it promises very effectively with no side effects, as it's all natural and made in a FDA approved facility. So you can use Liv Pure without any worries to lose weight for real. But guys, just pay very close attention and be aware that follow the consumption guidelines. It's always very important so you can achieve it all safely and enjoy all its incredible benefits as I did. Moreover, nobody talks about it, but it's good to know that although you can start to see results right at the first month, the best results come after 3 to 6 months of use. So Liv Pure has enough time to cleanse your entire body and you have reached your desired weight, especially if you're over 35 or carry excess weight. I personally began to notice a real difference in my energy levels and in my skin after 5 weeks of use. Concerning to the weight loss, I started to lose weight around the 4th week of use, but it started to be more consistent after 2 months using Liv Pure at the proper way as recommended. So after 3 months of treatment, I was able to lose 37 pounds, and with these amazing results, feeling more healthy, I'm still on my journey and taking my treatment seriously to get me where I want. Also, one of the things I like to emphasize about Liv Pure is that buying to its official website, you'll be well assured by a 60 days money-back warranty. That means you can actually try Liv Pure, and by the end of this period, if you need to be refunded for any reason, all you gotta do is to contact their customer support and they will give your money back, no questions asked. Simple as that. Guys, you can check all the information I gave you or even dive deeper in this liver purification complex through Liv Pure official website. Don't forget the official links down here in case you need it, okay? So what I can say is just go for it and give it a chance to improve your health while losing weight and going to that place you deserve, because Liv Pure really work for your health and longevity overall, giving you far more benefits than any other weight loss supplement can. I can say that. Just thanks for watching. If you found the Liv Pure review helpful, just give it a thumbs up and leave your feedback to help out. And in case you still have any concern, just let me know through the comment sections and I'll be pleased to help you out, okay? See you next time.